We really like the lifestyle here in Arizona. Rhonda Graphics is a small computer animation and effects company. We do a lot of commercial work. We do quite a bit of sports work. We've done everything from opens for the Phoenix Suns, Houston Rockets, Charlotte Hornets, Phoenix Coyotes, all kinds of different folks. We just started with myself and one machine in a tiny little room the size of a closet. The thing about Maya that's really attractive to a small company like ours is that it gives you all the tools you need to do the best work you can do. So you're not limited by the tools. The project with the Diamondbacks came about because they wanted to get a great animation done to show on their Jumbotron in the new ballpark to launch their season.
Maya is incredibly flexible, and there's always many different approaches that you can take. We faced the problem of populating the ballpark before it was finished, and we wanted a lot of people, and we wanted them moving too. The approach that we came up with was to shoot green screen people in the studio and to make those texture maps. The placement of all of those texture maps and all of that geometry was done with a plugin that we wrote. It allowed us to place literally thousands and thousands of moving people in this variety of shots.
With Maya, on the new NT hardware, you can do anything. So Spline IK was the perfect solution for animating a snake. You create a spline, attach the skin of the snake to it, and then you can just animate the control points of the spline. It simplifies your job. I don't have to be distracted from doing the creative part. Instead, I can just blast forward.
An important thing, I think, is that they're listening to us, to our ideas, and Maya shows that. There's this place in the animation where the snake catches the baseball, and we needed the baseball to stick in his mouth. Before Maya, we would have had the keyframe. It would have been an arduous task, but with Maya, we took two nodes and hooked them together in the dependency graph, and the baseball stuck in his mouth. I did that in seconds, and I never had to worry about it again. It's so important to us that Maya is fast, and that's really important at the end of the day.
After all the hours you put into it, the big payoff is going to see it in the big outdoor stadium with 50,000 people there. That's pretty darn cool.